Hey everyone, how are you doing? And today, in this video, I'll show you a way that lets you easily, quickly, and safely mine the cryptocurrency SOL, Solana. So let's not waste any time and get straight to the point. All you need to do is open any web browser. You can do this either on your mobile phone or on your computer. And in your browser, find this website called arcmin.io. I'll leave the link in a pinned comment or in the description of this video. Look for it there. Here, you need to click the Start Mining button, and it will scroll you down to the Cloud Mining Console section. Here, you need to configure your mining session, and it's very easy to do. In the first step, you choose the cryptocurrency you want to mine. Here, there's not only Solana, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, Cardano, and other cryptocurrencies. Let's select Solana and click the Continue with SOL button. So now we need to enter the address of our SOL wallet, and then we need to choose the hash rate / power and mining speed. Let me say right away that depending on these parameters, the duration and cost of your session will vary. Let's pick something roughly in the middle, and I'll set the mining speed to rapid. Next, we select the target amount and click the Start Mining button. So, as you can see, our mining process has started. Here we can see the session time, how much we'll have to pay for the infrastructure fee, and how much we've mined so far. There's also some other various information here. Alright, so let's wait a bit until we've mined about the target amount, and then I'll show you how to withdraw here. So we've mined about $500. As you can see, mining is still ongoing. We can stop it at any time or let it run indefinitely. Click the Stop and Withdraw button. As you can see, we've mined 4.39 Solana, which is about $542. Now we need to pay the infrastructure fee for using this service's resources. You can pay here in any currency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and so on. I'll be paying in USDT. I select TRC20 and copy the address. Alright, I've successfully sent the transfer, and now I'm clicking the I have sent payment button. That's it. Now we just have to wait for our payment to go through and for our Solana to be credited. So, friends, let's go to Trust Wallet now and check the result. We refresh our wallet balance, and yes, the Solana has arrived. Just wonderful! As you can see, our balance is exactly 4.39, just like we mined, and that's $557. That's just great. Yep, here it is in the transaction history, everything is showing up. Unbelievably cool. That's the kind of service I showed you today. So go ahead, use it, and I hope everything works out for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.